2016 Toyota Scion TC. What we got done on it, they call it a CNT S-pipe. Right there, the customer brought it, we put it in for him. Got the factory converter up there on the manifold. Then we did a resonator delete in the middle. He had a resonator right there, we deleted it. Then it's 2.5-inch pipe, pre-bent already, a kit that he had on. And then we did a muffler delete for him also, because it wasn't loud enough for him, so we made it louder. And put a 4-inch blue flame tip, burnt tip, right there, out the side, as you guys can see. Take a picture of that, it looks clean like that. Boom. Like always, guys, please like and subscribe. Keeps our channel going and all that good stuff. We appreciate it. That's everything we cut off, guys. There's the resonators, the muffler, and the S-pipe. Go ahead. Much better. It's so loud. Your sound decibels? Again? 120. So loud. Gotta back it out. Oh my God. That is awesome. Tell us what you guys think. I like it. It's loud. It reached 122 on the sound decibels, guys. Scion. What you guys hear on this? 2016 TC. Hopefully he'll go beast mode in a TC. We'll see. Hey, that rhymes. Beast mode in a TC. We'll see. I'm losing my mind, man. And my hearing.